Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at the Armor Stealth Box Set, the world's most customizable EDC box set. Let's check it out. But before we get started, that's right, I have two Armor Stealth box sets to give away. So watch this video to the end to decide if something like this box set will work for you. And if so, if you want to enter this giveaway, all the information will be down below in my description box. So what exactly is the Armor Stealth box set? So what if somebody came out with a box that streamlined all of your important EDC items into one place? Well, that's exactly what Armor did here with the Stealth box set. All right, so now let's start talking about everything that comes in the Armor Stealth box set. So right here we have the Armor Warrior wallet. Next we have the Combat key holder. Right here we have the Mission multi-tool. There's an aluminum wallet coin tray. Right here we have a key fob ring / bottle opener. This is a removable money clip. This right here is a removable pocket clip for the Combat key holder. We have a replacement elastic strap with a plastic D-ring for the Warrior wallet. And then right here we have some extensions and washers, all for the Combat key holder here. And then last but not least, we have some swag. All right, so I'm gonna put all this to the side right now and let's start talking about the Warrior wallet. All right, so the Armor Warrior wallet can hold between 1 and 12 cards and 1 to 5 bills right here in the back. It's CNC machined from 6061 aerospace grade aluminum, and because it's made of aluminum, it naturally blocks RFID. And there's 32 different ways to customize your wallet with all the different gear that comes in this Stealth box set. Now, if you guys are curious on all the different ways you can customize your wallet, I'll have all that information down below in my description box. All right, so now let's go over the dimensions of the wallet. It's 86 millimeters by 54 millimeters by 9 millimeters. And as it comes out of the box, it weighs 2.7 ounces. So this is a sandwich style wallet, meaning it's two pieces of aluminum sandwiched together and held in place by this elastic band right here in the center. And it has a very convenient thumb notch located right here at the bottom. And if I flip it around to the back side, yes, it does come attached with this cash strap here. And this is where this wallet gets very, very interesting because it is completely customizable to however style that you want. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. This plate right here, completely removable. That's right, Armor calls these the rare earth magnetic cover plates. And yes, they do sell separate plates if you want to customize this to whatever you want. And I do have 3 of those plates right here, so we'll go over that shortly. So you can see there's 6 rare earth magnets on the cover plate and right here on the frame of the wallet. And then right here on the plate you can see this groove where this elastic band sits pretty nicely. And these magnets are extremely powerful, so check that out. They just snap right on. So if you're worried about these plates coming off in your pocket, you don't have to worry about that. So let's take this back off and let's take off the back plate here. And this is where it gets really interesting because Armor came up with a great system to easily change out your cash strap for the money clip. Say for example, you don't want this cash strap on for a day or just want to replace it with this money clip. So this easily just slips right off. Turn it around to this back channel here. And then in that channel, you can see 2 little grooves. That's for this money clip to slip right on and snap right into place. So it just slips right on as so, and then check this out. Snaps right on, locks in, not going anywhere. Now just take the main base of the Warrior wallet and slap that magnetic cover right on there, and now you have your money clip. And put that top plate back on there, and now we're ready to go. So this new system that Armor came up with is absolutely one of the most convenient, customizable things I've seen in a while. There's no screws like that to remove, no turning the wallet inside out. It's just basically taking your finger, peeling that plate right off. And at the same time, if this elastic band ever gets frayed or broken, remember they give you that extra band right here with this D-ring buckle. So if you want to replace this elastic, it's the same thing, just slip it on out like that. Take your replacement band and slip it right over the middle as so, and there we go. I mean, what is that, 5 seconds to replace that elastic band? Now let's slap these plates back on here and let's talk about the aluminum coin tray. So this is something very unique. Only a handful of wallet companies out there are making coin trays like this for coin storage. And if you guys have a wallet with a coin tray, you know you don't only have to carry coins in it. So I have 4 American quarters right here, so I'm gonna plop those in there, and there's plenty of room left after I put those quarters in. Enough room where I can actually put a key. So check that out. So I have 4 quarters and a key in there. And they do have felt on the bottom of this coin tray. So there is some noise protection down there. And now let's get the coin tray in the wallet. So I'm just gonna take it whole with the coins and key in there. Stick it all in at once, and boom. Now you can see that coin tray does take up some space in that wallet. And I figured with my demo cards here, that is about roughly 4 of your credit cards worth of space. So if the Warrior wallet can hold a total of 12 cards, if you want the coin tray in there, now you're down to 8 cards. As a matter of fact, let's get those cards in there. So of course, one of your credit cards is gonna act as the cover for that coin tray. So let me get the rest of the cards in there. So there we go. So we have 4 demo cards and the coin tray in the Warrior wallet. And if you guys are familiar with these sandwich style wallets, you're gonna know, just press up on this little thumb notch here and just fan out your cards as so. Take whatever card you want, press the rest of your cards back in there. Super simple. Now let's check out that coin tray. So push the cards back in. Here we go. I want 50 cents. Push it back in. Yes, guys, this is extremely functional. All right, now let's talk about this money clip back here. As you can see, it is a relatively small money clip. So that's why they're saying only 5 bills. So obviously it's gonna be 5 bills folded into quarters. So lift up on that money clip, slide those bills in there. Yeah, definitely 5 is going to be the max on this money clip. You can see it's stretching it out just slightly. But if you need to carry more bills, remember, just take off that back cover plate, take the bills out here, lift up on that money clip, and it slides right out of the groove. And now let's slip on that elastic cash strap there, slip it on, and now those 5 bills shouldn't have any issues at all under that cash strap. I mean, I have room for days underneath that cash strap. And check this out, we have some really cool, nice grippy rubber feet on the bottom of that cash clip here. So while your bills are under this cash strap, they won't move around as easy. And if all of that wasn't enough customization for you, let's check out the extra cover plates. So there's a total of 6 cover plates at the time of this video. And the first matte black cover already comes with the Stealth box set. And here I have the carbon fiber, the Patriot, and the Black Ops camo. And the only 2 that I don't have is the OD green cover and the Woodland camo cover. All right, first let's check out the Black Ops camo here. So of course you get some more swag and an instruction manual. And there we go, the Woodland camo. And first up, that's right, you guys guessed it, there's extra cover plates for the combat key holder. So anytime you guys buy one of these cover plates, it comes with covers for your combat key holder and covers for your wallet, which is awesome, especially when you guys are trying to match your EDC, your wallet, and your key holder, even your knife together with whatever you're carrying that day. But I'm gonna put this one off to the side because we'll go over this a little later on in this video. All right, this is what the Armor Warrior wallet looks with the Black Ops camo cover. And next, I have a feeling this one might be popular, the Patriot cover. And yes, it does come with the matching combat key holder cover. Check that out. And my personal favorite of the bunch, the 3K Weave carbon fiber cover. And then here's the carbon fiber cover for the combat key holder. And yes, even the sticker looks like it's carbon fiber. That's really cool. All right, so next let's talk about the combat key holder. It can hold up to 6 standard keys, and if you use the extensions, up to 10 keys. And you can see here, it basically looks like the bottom part of the Warrior wallet. And as I already showed you, these rare earth magnet covers come right off the combat key holder too. So we have 4 magnets on the covers and 4 magnets on the base of the key holder here. And then you can see right inside there, that's where the screws are located to take this apart and add your keys, which I really love how they hide those screws underneath the cover plate. It's just a nice clean look. All right, as you guys can see right here, it's extremely easy to put keys in this combat key holder. Once you unscrew it, just put a washer on one of the extenders there and then alternate a key with the washer. So it's washer key, and just repeat the same thing on both sides. this. Put the top back on, put the 2 screws in, screw it back on, put the plates back together. I don't know if you guys noticed when I split up the video, I put this key fob ring bottle opener in wrong. Yeah, I put this part through the extender instead of the hole that's right dead in the center. So I just paused the video, put it back together the right way. It took me about a minute to correct my problem. But now you have this piece sticking up on the top for an attachment point, and then flip it around and there's your bottle opener. And I absolutely love new key organizers. This is the best way to keep your keys organized whenever they're in your pocket. So just using the extenders that came with the Combat Key Organizer, I got 5 keys in here plus the bottle opener, and I just had to double up on one of the spacers down there on the very bottom. And then of course it comes with all these extra extensions and all these extra washers if you want to add more keys. Now let's take a look at what it looks like with the Patriot cover on it. This is awesome. Now let's check it out with the Black Ops camo cover. Very, very cool. And yes, you guys guessed it, my personal favorite, the 3K Weave carbon fiber cover. So what do you guys think of the 4 covers that I have? Which one's your favorite? And now one last thing to go over with the Combat key holder, and that's the pocket clip. So on the back of each of the covers, you're gonna see that tiny little groove right there. And yeah, you guessed it, that's for this pocket clip to easily fit into. So just easily line it up and click it right into place and locks right in. Now let's slap that onto the Combat key holder, and there you go. Now you got yourself a nice little pocket clip. All right guys, next let's talk about the Mission Multi-Tool. All right, so there's 23 different tools included in this multi-tool. It can fit directly into the wallet, or it can fit securely into the coin tray. It's made of 304 stainless steel, and the specs are 49 millimeters by 77 millimeters by 1.2 millimeters, and it weighs roughly 0.7 ounces. All right, now let's talk about some of these tools. So it has a card organizer, a small flathead screwdriver, a metric ruler, an M14 hex, a bottle opener, an M3 hex, a 1/2 centimeter circle template, a large flathead screwdriver, a protractor, there's a wire cutter, a chisel, a letter opener, there's a small eyeglass screwdriver, an M1.6 hex, then there's an M3, M3.5, M4, M5, and M6 hex keys, a comb, an M2 hex, a box opener, and yes, it does have a money clip attachment. And yes, the wallet money clip fits perfectly right in these little grooves right here. And these 2 little locks on the money clip fit perfectly in these 2 little holes right there on the multi-tool. So all you have to do is fit the money clip into those 2 little grooves on the top and slaps right down into place, locks in, and now you have yourself a little multi-tool money clip. So yeah, if you guys are looking to go super minimal for a day, just grab this multi-tool, put the money clip on there, grab 1 to 5 bills, and there you go, super minimalistic. And yes, even though the multi-tool fits perfectly in the coin tray, if you have the money clip on it, doesn't fit as easy. Obviously that money clip's gonna stick out over the top of the coin tray here. So if that's the case and you still wanna carry this multi-tool, take off the money clip, stick it into the coin tray, and just carry your bills in the back here in your cash strap. And guys, that reminds me, you can have the cash strap and the money clip on at the same time. So just turn it around to the front, take off your cover here, slip on the money clip as so, click it into place, and put it back on your wallet, and now you have your cash strap and your money clip. So as you guys can see, this is almost endlessly customizable. There's 32 different ways to carry the wallet alone, and that's not even counting the cover plates that they have available for the Warrior wallet. And then couple the Warrior wallet with the Combat key holder, and you have a pretty decent EDC lineup right here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Armor Stealth box set? Seriously, in my opinion, one of the coolest EDC releases of this year. I really love this new trend of companies letting you customize your EDC gear however you want. And I really hope other companies take note, because Armor came to play with this new box set. And guys, don't forget, I have 2 Armor Stealth box sets to give away here. That's right, so if you guys like what you saw in this video, I'll have all the information down below in my description box on how to win one of these bad boys right here. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and go!